Yo, check it out, y'all. What's the deal? This is Raekwon the Chef. You know how I go. Represent Canada to the fullest, you heard? Chilling with the 200s. Y'all know what time it is. Go support them. They keep it real. You know how I go. Raekwon the Chef. Wu-Tang. Peace.
Yo, the fuck's calling me myself? What the fuck is this?
Jamaican. Yo, when I call you, answer your phone, alright? Listen, motherfucker. You know I love you, motherfucker.
Who's that girl? Who's that girl? Who's that juicy girl? Who's that girl? Who's that girl? Who's that chunky girl? Who's that girl? Who's that girl? Who's that freaky girl? Who's that girl? Who's that girl? Who's that booty girl? How that? The girl over there so a little lollipop. The girl who a bust a blank, bust a blap blap. Me no say girl, yo and me yo a chat. The girl look fit, the girl so sick. The girl so thick she don't even go to the gym. I look on me and I smile and I grin. The girl so fine I started clapping. I want you girl, I'm so serious. You're so sexy girl, you're so voluptuous. You're looking good girl, you look so plush. I ain't in love but I do have a crush. Enough drunken out the trunk, I'm on a hunt, girl, don't even front. Make the titties jump like the beat, make it bump. With 200 Negroes, we're gonna get crunk. Oh that, oh that, oh that, oh that. Who's that girl? Who's that girl? Who's that juicy girl? Who's that girl? Who's that girl? Who's that chunky girl? Who's that girl? Who's that girl? Who's that freaky girl? Who's that girl? Who's that girl? Who's that booty girl?
Somebody representing right.
Yeah.
One Trizzy. That's
Yeah.
what's up, Real City.
Yeah.
Au corps chaud, moi c'est Esprit sans pression, non fait. Vous écoutez Solide TV, non fait. Si tu sais pas c'est quoi, branche-toi, man. Si t'es pas content, change de poste. Parce que c'est ici que ça se passe. Solide TV, right? Esprit sans pression, 13e étage. Donc c'est un ascenseur. On fait un tabarnak.
You know what it is, I'm here with Boys Moto from Lunets TV. It's your boy Justice, holla back, NDG's finest, it's your highness, it's your finest, loud.
Hey yo, you know what it is, your boy, man. Straight out de Villeray avec les câbles. Ça touche à mon pénis, ça touche à mes genoux, à mes fucking orteils, man. Your boy, lunettes.com, le tabarnak, les 200, all the way, man. Yo, c'est quoi? C'est solide TV, man. Solide, dans le beau lit.
Ça peut pas être le paysan tabarnak, ça trouve en nous.
Ça se fait comment, les gars? Ça se fait sur
Solide, avec du style. C'est toi qui décides, tout le monde fait le tabarnak.
TDX, c'est le tabernacle. Tu comprends qu'est-ce que je veux dire? Faut supporter qu'est-ce qui se passe dans la zone de Montréal. Alors c'est TDX TV. L'authentique paysan, allez chercher ses affaires. Shout à Lunettes, shout à tout Montréal. Vous savez qu'est-ce qui se passe? MTL City, Real City TV.
Pénétrer